How to restrict cellular data for specific apps on your iPhone. This is a great way to reduce mobile data usage and prevent certain apps from using your cellular connection when you're away from Wi-Fi. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your region and carrier. Scroll down to the list of installed apps. You'll see a toggle next to each app that controls whether it can use cellular data. Simply find the app you want to restrict, then tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, that app will only be able to access the internet when your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you want to allow the app to use mobile data again, just return to the same screen and turn the toggle back on. And that's it. You've successfully restricted cellular data for specific apps on your iPhone. This is an easy way to save mobile data and control which apps can access the internet using your cellular connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.